Today I wanted to make a video here talking about two specific EV electric vehicle stocks here, Nio and XPENG. And both these stocks here currently are the two most heavily traded stocks on the market today. We're looking at today already early morning hours of the market, and both seeing some very positive price action. 30% in gains here for XPENG, $20 is the current price, as well as a 10% gain here for Nio, $13.18. Just wanted to go over each specific company stock real quick and then just talk about why each of these stocks are rallying and why they're trading so heavily today. So first, obviously, Nio is a stock I've talked about on this channel for a while now. We had talked about Nio maybe like 2 years ago. I think I initially bought Nio like probably before I even made a YouTube video, like maybe under $2, under a dollar. If we take a look at kind of the 2 year chart for Nio, it was trading. Right, let's take a look at the 5 year because I want to say I honestly bought Nio in like, when is this, 2020? Yeah, like before. I want to say I bought Nio like in 2019, somewhere around here, and it obviously spiked, and we did see an all-time high of $62 when we did see that kind of just stock market and the crypto, just early all of 2021, really, when the markets were just really flourishing, um, across the United States at least. And then it's consolidated quite a bit, sitting at 13 cents now. And then XPeng as well, which is another Chinese EV manufacturer here, 99 million in trading volume, $19 at the time of this video. If we take a look at XPeng's chart real quickly, let's take a look at the 5 year chart for XPeng. We saw similar kind of price action to a degree, right? In 2021, it was doing pretty well here. It was trading at around 40 plus 20, about $30 to $40 consistently, and then has kind of fallen off, with down here to as low as $8.05, as recent as October, about a year ago. Then has really started to climb more significantly, I would say, in Q2 of this year. Let's take a look here at Nio. Obviously, considering themselves much more than a car company, their cars look pretty cool. I think XPeng's cars honestly look a little bit cooler as far as just the visual appeal. Right, here's XPeng. And by the way, I mean, we're seeing Mullen, XPeng, and Nio all be the three most heavily traded stocks on the market today. All EV auto manufacturers, two of them, and obviously in China, and then one in the USA, being Mullen. But you take a look at Nio; they have a pretty big fleet here as far as their models go. ET7, ET5. You can see here all the different models that Nio offers, and then we take a look at XPeng as well. They have the P7, P5, the G3i, and the G9. Don't want to get too deep into each specific company, but you guys, Chinese EV manufacturers here, really doing the groundwork, specifically in China. But for me, the bullish news on XPeng is very bullish news here, in my opinion. We're talking about XPeng stock rockets after Volkswagen invests 700 million and announces cooperation agreements. You guys, shares of XPeng skyrocketed toward an 11th month high Wednesday after Germany-based Volkswagen Group, obviously one of the biggest auto groups in the world, said it was investing 700 million in the Chinese-based electric manufacturer as it follows its local electrification strategy. Under the terms of the investment, VW will take a 4.99 stake in XPeng through the purchase of stock at $15 per American depository share, which represents a 2.3% discount to Tuesday's closing price of 15.36. So Volkswagen gets it at a 4.9% stake, $15 per share, closed Tuesday at $15.36. So essentially they save 36 cents based on where the stock closed on Tuesday. The rally of XPeng is also helping China-based rivals Nio, 11.24% charged up, 9.4% Li Auto as well. Shares of Tesla also were down. It's generated 23% of the second quarter revenue in China. So we're seeing Tesla, American-based, U.S.-made company, generated 23% of its total second quarter revenue specifically in China. So this investment of VW brand into XPeng, I think, is very bullish. You can see here this investment includes a cooperation agreement between VW and XPeng, which will provide the joint development of two VW electric brand vehicle models for the mid-size segment in China. These vehicles are slated to be rolled out in 2026. And then local partnerships are important for building block in Volkswagen's groups in China for China strategy, says the board member of Volkswagen China here. Separately, VW said its Audi subsidiary entered into a strategic memorandum with its China-based venture partner SAIC Motor Corp to expand its current cooperation agreement. So we see Volkswagen here making these moves, trying to solidify themselves and establish a presence specifically in China in the EV market. And then we also see here Nio shares rally on news China promotes private investment. So Chinese government officials supported for clean energy and transportation economy. Nio Stock added 10.9% on Monday to reach its highest level since February. The Hang Seng Index spikes 4.1% Tuesday in Hong Kong, and Nio shares are now trading both 50-day and 200-day SMAs. So obviously Nio Stock here, for a long time I was very, very bullish on Nio. I think great entry point here currently, in my opinion, at $13. Let me know in the comments below. Drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.